kids, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning doubles. Now you might be wondering, what are doubles? Well, that's why you might have picked this video. So as I am going to tell you, doubles is, let's take a number. 6 volunteered. Let's take 6. So right now, we are just focusing on adding doubles. So a doubles is basically one number twice. So like 4 twice is 4 plus 4. Or 6 twice is 6 plus 6. So let's start first with the easiest one, 0 plus 0. The simplest answer is 0, and the only answer. Let's move on to 1 plus 1. Give it a check mark. Put our answer 0, and done. Now let's move on to 1 plus 1. Now, the 0 plus 0 one was easy, but let's try a different solution this time, rather than going straight ahead. Let's use my friendly number line. So we have the 1 is right here. Draw a smiley face. And then we are at 1. And then we add 1 more. We added 1 more. So we get the answer 2. Sorry if my square is a little improper. Working at an angle is a little hard. So, anyways, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. The answer for 1 plus 1 is 2. Check mark. So 1 plus 1 is equivalent to 2. Now let's move on to 2 plus 2. Two plus 2. Again, I will be giving another number line. So, as you can see, we started at 2, and then we add 2 more, so that's plus 1, 2, plus 2. Fix the plus sign. So, we landed at the number 4. We landed at the number 4. So the answer for 2 plus 2 equals 4. Hope you guys got that answer. Let's check mark this and write 4. You know, if I had 4 cookies right now, I would be chomping on them. Cookies. But let's not jump to conclusions. We might want more cookies. Okay, now we'll move on to 3 plus 3. Now, I'll be doing another number line, but I'm going to erase this so it does not interfere with our number line. Whoopsie. Erased 3 on accident. So, we have, starting here is 3. Erase those 2 squares. Starting at 3. Now it says here we must add 3 more. So 1, 2, 3. We land at 6. like to call these, instead of just saying 1, 2, 3, I like to call them bunny hops. Anyways, so we landed at 6 for 3 plus 3. So the answer for 3 plus 3 is 6. Makes me want to eat now 6 cookies. That's the double of 3. Fun fact, if you want to have, would you rather have 6 cookies or 4 cookies? If you have 4 cookies, that's 2 cookies less than 6 cookies. Or instead of thinking of cookies, you can also say cupcakes. And frosting. Anyways, we got a 6 for 3 plus 3. Whoopsie, wrong side. So check mark and write 6. 6 is a big number, but look ahead. I think we're going to get more bigger numbers, but too much cookies or cupcakes can make my stomach hurt. Anyways, 4 plus 4. Equals, okay. So I'll be teaching a different kind of way to add doubles. So I like to call this sharing, or like giving away. Giving away makes sense. So to make this more easier, we can bring the sum down here. We can give 4 minus 2 equals 2. So the 4 turns into a 2, and then this 2 here goes to this 4, and then this 4 turns to a 6. Wow, lots of 4s and 2s in there. 6, and then we still have this 2 from here. So we had the 2 with the 6. Okay, I'm starting to lose myself with the 2s and the 4s and the 6s. It's a good thing we're at the end of this problem. So 6, we can use the number line if we want. 6, 7, 8. So we land at 8. So if you want, you guys can have 8 cookies now. That is 2 away. So if you want to have if you want to have 8 cookies, that's 2 more. Yeah, 2 more than 6. And 6 is 2 more than 4. It's kind of going like minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Wow, lots of 2s. Anyways, so check mark that. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. After we're done with solving all these problems, right before the bonus, we'll go over all of these sums. So, yeah. Right now we are moving on to 5 plus 5. And the 5's bigger. So we have 5 plus 5. We're going to do giving away again. Hopefully we don't get another lot of numbers. So this time, let's bring this down here and 5, let's minus 2 again. But this time we don't get 2 because 2 plus 2 equals 4, which we learned up here for our third sum. So that would equal 3. And what do we do with this 3? We add it to the 5. So 5 plus 3 equals, let's use this, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. We land at 8. So we get 8. Yes, okay, so we have 8. But remember, if we go back here, we finished off the 3, and the 5 is no more since we split it into a 3 and a 2. But wait, if the 5 and the 3 is no more, we still have this number, the 2. So we have to add the 8 plus the 2 to get us to, that's a plus. Getting lots of pluses here. Equals to 8, 9, 10. We get 10. 10 cookies. If you guys had 10 cookies, you are lucky. But that would make my stomach hurt. Fun fact about me. I am 10 right now. This year, which is 2021, oh yeah, and Happy Late New Year. Forgot to wish that. Anyways, this year, I'm turning 11. So, yeah. So we got, whoopsie, that was my answer. 10 for our 5 plus 5. Check mark that and write 10. And once, again, I'm just saying this again, we will be going back, right before the bonus, and we will go back and recheck all the answers. Okay, so 6 now, we're doing on 6 plus 6 equals, okay, 6 plus 6. Let's do another giving away now. But wait, is there another problem here that is a double that can help us with this? So we're always taking away from this number. So is there anyone that can help us with this? Let's double check. 0, no. 1, no. 2, no. 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6, so yes, that could help us. So what we can do is bring this down here. 6 minus 3 equals 3. Okay, so this number's no more, and we're giving this number here, we're adding it. So 6, 7, 8, 9. We land on 9. So let me write it here. 6 plus 3 equals 9. My 9 is bad. 9. Okay, yeah, 9. So now we have this out. Now once again, we still have to finish off this 3. We must add this 3 to the 9. Whoopsie, I was going to draw another 9. 3 equals, what could it be? Oh, let's use this. 9, 1, 2, 3. Or 9, 10, 11, 12. 3. So we land at 12. So 6 plus 6 equals 12. Wow. But still, 12 cookies is not good. So for the 7 plus 7 and the 10 plus 10, I'm going to do some word problems. So Santa gave you 7, and then your parents surprised you with 7 more presents. You want to figure out how many presents you have in total. Your mom says that you can double them. So you start. So we know that Santa has 7, And we know that the parents has 7. So we can just do what the word problems say, 7 plus 7. Or what we can do is give away the thing. We're like, okay, so 7 minus 4 equals 3. Okay, and so for the 7 plus 7 and the 10 plus 10, we will be doing word problems. So for these word problems, Santa gave you 7 presents and your parents surprised you with 7 more presents. You want to figure out how many presents you have in total. Your mom says you can solve them by using doubles. So let's start solving. We know that we have 7, so we can just skip this one. And the parents gave you 7 too. So we can count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 7 plus 7 equals 14 presents. That is very lucky. I would want to be you right now. You get 14 presents. Okay, let's move on to 8 plus 8. Getting trickier. Okay, so let me just crack your box. Okay, 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 equals. Okay, so 8 plus 8. Let's just do 8 sticker boxes. So 8 sticker boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 8 sticker boxes. They're pretty small, but yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 8 and 8. There's 8 in both. So again, we can do what we did for 7 plus 7. We know that there's 8 sticker boxes in this category. So what we can do is count by ones. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 8 plus 8 equals 16. Hope you all got that. Now we will be moving on to the 9 plus 9. So, you have 9 toy cubes. So you have 9 toy cubes. I just need to add 1 in each of these big boxes. So 9. So we know there's 9 in each. So we can have a head start. We don't need to count this. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18. 18 toy cubes. Wow. So the answer for that is 18. Once again, we'll be going over the answers after we're done with this. Next sum, 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10. put 1. Now, I went back and checked this list. Is there any that we could use to solve this? Rather than using these, we can use known facts. So let's start with these two numbers in the tens place. Let's leave out these zeros, and we have 1 plus 1. If we look back, 1 plus 1 equals 2. And then if we cover the ones, we have 0 plus 0. And if we look back here, another thing, 0 added by any number, you get 0. So 20. Let's double check using these. So we know there's 10 in each, so we don't have to count this. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We are correct. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Okay, so now we can check the answers. So if you're ready, if you think you have if you think you nailed the answers for the doubles, you're ready to move on to the bonus question. If you think you need a little more practice, you can pause this video and come back to it when you're ready. But before you go, we'll check over the answers. 0 plus 0, the answer is 0. 1 plus 1, our answer is 2. 2 plus 2, our answer is 4. 3 plus 3, our answer is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. 7 plus 7 is 14. 8 plus 8 is 16. 9 plus 9 is 18. And 10 plus 10 is 20. And I'm not so sure if you noticed this, but it doesn't go through all of the numbers. See, like 0, it skipped 1, 2, skipped 3, 4, skipped 5, 6, skipped 7, 8, skipped 9, 10, skip 11, 12, skip 13, 14, skip 15, 16, you get it. So if you're ready for the bonus, the bonus one is 20 plus 20. And we can use all of these problems to solve, all of these strategies to solve 20 plus 20. Now we cannot solve it with the number line because that would go over. So what we can do is do pictures. So yeah. Oh wait, a thought just occurred to me. If you just draw 20 squares, that'd take a really long time to figure it out. So what we can do, remember what we used for the 10 plus 10? Instead of using these, we use some known facts. So that's what we can do. So if we cover the 0, we have 2 plus 2. And if we look back here, 2 plus 2 equals 4. And if we cover the 2, we know that 0 plus 0 is always equal to 0. So we land on 40. Let's check that using this kind of strategy. It's called the stacking strategy. It's basically the same thing we do. 0 plus 0, 0, 2 plus 2, 4. So we get 40. And that is it, my friends. Goodbye. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.